In this video, we'll learn more about quadratic equations, how to find out its roots using quadratic formula. We've already done two methods in our other videos, that is factorization and completing the square method. Here we'll apply quadratic formula, famously also known as Sridharacharya's rule. Before applying the quadratic formula, we'll derive this formula. Let's have a quadratic equation written here, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And this is our equation, and we are going to derive that quadratic formula that is utilized to solve or to get the roots of the quadratic equation. So for that, we'll go back to the method of completing the square. So we are going to divide each term by a. Why? Because we will make the coefficient of x squared as 1. So we are going to divide all the terms involved here by a. So that makes no change to the given equation, and we rewrite the equation as this. To make it a perfect square, we will observe the coefficient of x, that is b by a, make it half, square it up. This value, when we add on both the sides, makes the LHS as a perfect square. B over 2a to the whole square minus c over a plus b over 2a whole square. So we are adding this value on both sides. So this makes the formula of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Further, it becomes x plus b over 2a whole square. So this gives you x square. This is plus b square, and 2 times 2 cancels off, gives you b over a times x. And the RHS becomes minus c over a plus b square over 4a square. Further simplifying, it becomes the LCM on the LHS becomes 4a square, and this can be written as minus 4ac plus b square. So here x plus b over 2a, the squared value, taking root on both the sides, becomes plus minus under root over b square minus 4ac over 4a square. And then further it will be written as x equals to minus b over 2a plus minus root of b square minus 4ac, and the root of 4a square becomes then 2a. Then our quadratic formula becomes x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. This is the famous quadratic formula, also known as Sridharacharya, to solve all the types of quadratic equations. Let's take one example and apply this to get the root of the quadratic equation 3x squared minus 2x minus 1 equals 0. Let's identify our ABC over here. My A is 3, B is minus 2, and C is minus 1. So now let's get this value b square minus 4ac will become minus 2 whole square minus 4, a is 3, c is minus 1. This becomes 4 minus minus plus 12, that is 16. So putting the values in this formula, x equals to minus of minus 2 plus minus root value of b square minus 4ac is now 16. So put in 16 and twice of 3, where a is 3. So this becomes 2 plus minus 4 over 2, 3, 6. So my values of x would become 2 plus 4, 6 over 6, while subtracting minus 2 over 6. So that is 1 or minus 1 by 3. So the values of x, or the roots of the quadratic equation, is 1 or minus 1 by 3. That's how you derive the formula and apply the quadratic formula to solve any quadratic equation. Thank you.